Join us today as we do a trip around Christchurch by tram, number 3 in the must-do things in Christchurch.
Goes all the way through 2 city blocks and closed off the street also for 2.5 city blocks, right through to Victoria Square. Around there, that's some of the things are 15 minutes. Nothing really happened. We just heard a week or two before Christmas that the hotel there is going to be refurbished at long last. Or where that hotel was supposed to be refurbished in time for the opening of the Cathedral Seaport. So stop number 10. Here's the bridge. Up on our right, that's our art gallery. It was closed for a period after the earthquake. Down the one back corner, it slopes a little bit. The foundations had cracked and the water was flooding into the basement. We're pumping that out for ages. It's all been sorted out. When they were down repairing the basement, they also retrofitted base isolation mounts. Those big rubber pads. And see, you'll see the Port Hills, all the more banks. On one playground around our beautiful city, the wonderful walks up there, views like drives, delightful drives, and absolutely stunning scenery, especially on the way of Takaroa. Yeah, quick segment of it.
Well, the real way to say it is eyesight. Sorry, I don't speak the different languages than English accents.
I only speak different languages.
Now, as we travel down here, you look to the left once we get past these containers. You'll see one of the buildings, they've almost finished there. The inset one's almost finished, be opening very shortly. Next building, you can see it's still held up by wire ropes. You've got those steel flying buttresses there to support the wall, and they're working on that. Should be open in the new year sometime. But the other bits, these buildings have all been fully restored. Absolutely amazing job they do. To our left in the main entrance there, you'll find Rutherford's Den. Ernest Lord Rutherford, the first man to split the atom, did a lot of his early experiments here at Canterbury. Stop number...
She got a puma.
She got a puma.
Now, turning on to Ralston Avenue, to our left there, the white statue, the one in front of the museum building, that's Sir William Ralston. He was our last of our superintendents of the self-governing province of Canterbury and Westland. This avenue is named after him. On the right we have Roden's Car House. It's a private collection of Mr. Jim and Dr. Susan Waite. Playing fields and parklands over there. About the third largest inner city park in the world. Two small lakes, the sailing model yachts on, a golf course, a world-class cricket pitch, and over acre sports field for Saturday sports. It's the use of a house. Number 17, coming up on the left, in Buries. Built in the 1860s. Housed one of the city's early iron factories in the early days. Now part of Cathedral Grammar School. The Cathedral Grammar, that's the school that provides the choir for the cathedral. Of course, these days it's that cardboard or the transitional cathedral that's in Latimer Square. In the meantime, we're coming into Cranmer Square, named after Thomas. Coming up on our right-hand side, 2-storey wooden buildings. That's all part of the Canterbury Provincial Council chambers. That was our Parliament or our government. Those buildings will be restored at some stage. They're very important to us as New Zealanders. As far as we know, the last Provincial Council chambers left in New Zealand. All the other provinces got rid of them. The like what buildings. On the right there, that's Tapai. That's a convention centre all the way from Cathedral Square, 2.5 city blocks away. And to the left behind the tram shelter building, Victoria herself. This is Victoria Square. It's got number 17. Now that whole city block has been built up by the Roman Catholic Church. Their basilica along with their primary school and administration playground at the southern hemisphere. And this is New Regent Street, opened in April of 1932, built on the Spanish missions. Quite unique in New Zealand.
Oh, verde.
Now, as we go travelling down the Regent Street, you look up on the first floor, you'll see the colour sequence both along and across the street. And on the ground floor, shop frontages, you'll notice the coloured tile. Now, the original tiles are the darker ones. They were imported from Spanish colony in 1932. Cross over Gloucester Street now.
Yeah, you're just getting old. I'm like, you just spin. You gotta be spinning.
Early days. We're back out onto Worcester Street next. On the left-hand side, that white stone, that building, originally the government departmental building. Now later apartments are in the city limits. On the corner there, you'll find the RGB bar. They won the best bar in the city after the last 5 years. See the big steel bracing holding the cathedral up. So the process of being stabilised. What they're doing at the present time, they're not restoring it at this stage, they're just trying to make the building secure and safe so their colleagues can come in and start the actual restoration work itself. We're looking forward to that. Probably about 7 years, about 2 years into it. The pioneering settlement called of Littleton in December of 18. The basis of those trees and flax were made to exposed for a sailing ship. Was turning into what's terrace now, out of the promenade, Riverside Promenade on the left, right there. The white statue, that's the statue of Robert Falcon Scott, the English Antarctic explorer. And his party lost them there. That's the terrace, one of the hospitality venues we passed by on our journey around the city.
Look how nice the park is, guys.
Past the three main ones on our journey. There's over 20 hospitality operations here, all different teams. Coming up on our right, we have the Bridge of Remembrance, unveiled on Armistice Day, that's the 11th of November, 1924. That's $7.5 million spent on the bridge and the memorial arch. Dedicated on Anzac Day.
How long is a full trip around?
Along here, we only had 3 survivors from the earthquake. Only 3 buildings survived. The first one on the survivor was on the right there with Rollick and Gelato. Next one's coming up on the left where Hayatia gives up. Third one is Valentine's down the end of the block there. With all the rebuilding, all the rest of these buildings are new. We're getting a whole lot of laneways now. Got 5 lanes to the left. There's 3 laneways at the Guthrie Centre there. And on the right, Valentine's department store. Now the oldest department store in New Zealand, telling us recently that they're reaching 160 years in service. Still owned and operating. Up on our left, the ANZ Centre. Now those shops there to our left are the first retail shops to open up in their new positions after the earthquake. It's quite a big time for some people. Hang on, shops are opening in the retail area. They're becoming a normal city again. On the right there, Market Lane will also take you through to the central bus station if you want anything at all. There's a well-stocked soup. And as we travel down High Street, you look straight ahead, past Nucleus, that's that sculpture of the red disc there, it's wind powered, so it does its own thing. And up on top of the hill there, it's actually Mount Cavendish, what we're looking at. You might see a building on the peak of Mount Cavendish, it's a top station for the gondola. Wonderful views up there over the city, also over the Canterbury Plains and right through to the Southern Alps. New sports stadium, the covered all-weather stadium, all sports basically. So we're looking forward to seeing some progress on that. It's only been going a little over a month now, so there's not much to see at this point. Now we're going to swing right into Poplar Lane. The second of the three hospitality areas we go through on our trip. We've been running down here about 3 months now, and we're coming into stop number 7. Some of the colleagues call this the corgi stop. On our left you'll see 3 corgis there. Now those corgis were cast up, their bronze tram shelter sorted out here. They shifted them over here just in time to celebrate the late Queen's 70th anniversary on the throne. Stop number 8, Strangers Lane. Stop number 8. I knew a couple of people from the UK that stayed there and a couple of periods before the earthquake. Thought it was very nice. So we're still waiting to see something replaced. And coming up on our left, that's the ANZ building from the other side now. Now that's as tall as we can build buildings in Christchurch, 28 metres. Okay, so the building stands 28 metres above the ground, but it's a bit like an earthquake, a bit like a iceberg. The foundations go down a little 30 metres. They drive the piles down, but I can't drive them any further. They then top the piles off, place the base isolators on those piles, then build the building on top of the base isolators. Now as we come into Cathedral Square, coming up on our left, the ice cream cone shape, that's Chalice. Chalice celebrated millennium, but also celebrated 150 years of settlement of the city of Christchurch in the year 2000.
That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share, and join us next time.